Ready? All right, today I'm gonna give you a quick little run through on how to set up a Trimble base station. We have our extended antenna. Typically there's only like a little 12-inch bun, but we got the larger antenna to extend our range a little bit. I'm hooking this up to the GNS receiver, satellite receiver. We call it the Dome on our ranch. Very forward-thinking name. Then we have our rover unit, which helps collect all the data from the satellites. It connects just two simple cables. We have our black one here, which runs to our antenna. And then we have the yellow cable. They're both coax cables. The yellow one connects to the GNS Dome or satellite receiver. They both just simply plug in. There's two little ports. They just thread in there. Each one only goes into one hole, so it's pretty foolproof and idiot-proof, so you can't really screw it up or misconnect it. Metal fittings on the ends to avoid stripping. A little bit sturdier, so helps with wear and tear. Just all around pretty good unit. This is the Trimble unit. It all comes in this handy dandy carrying case right here to help protect it, so you can just throw it in the back seat of your truck or whatever, not have to worry about it breaking. So you put those in, you just get them finger tight. You don't need to over tighten them. And then on this base station right here, there's a nice little handy dandy hook. So you can kind of just set it on there and hook it on. And you just grab the large end. And then as you can see, it just threads up to the antenna right here. So you have your antenna set up. I already kind of hooked it up, but this black plate that you can see sticking off the side over here, that threads through a hole in the center, and that locks your dome or your receiver into it, into the base station, or the tripod setup. Then you hook your final coax cable right here to the bottom or the base of the GNS receiver, like so. Get that tight. And then you can finally move it around. This does adjust for height to give you a little bit more range. And then, last but not least, we have our power cable. We run ours off our trucks just because you need a 12-volt source. Your truck battery will charge you at the end of the day, so you don't have to worry about it dying. Then it's cheaper because you don't have to buy a secondary battery to keep your Trimble system up and running. Simply plug it in, line up the dots, and take it off here real quick. And then you can see it automatically turns on. And then it'll start acquiring your satellites. And sometimes it takes a little bit for it to turn on. Here we go, we're starting to run our numbers here. And then it's basically set up. It's already ready to go. It's connecting as many satellites as possible, getting your data set up. Then you're basically ready to go on this end. You're ready to hop in the tractor and get everything set up from the auto steer.